All right, let's do question 14. So, question 14 says that a box contains 6 red balls, 8 green balls, and 11 yellow balls. I can make a diagram of that. So here's a box. And it's going to have 6 reds. So, of course, they're randomly distributed. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to have 8 green balls. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 11 yellow balls. All right then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, suppose you select one ball at random from the box and do not replace it. Okay? Then you randomly select a second ball. Find the probability that both of the balls you selected are red. Okay? So we're going to have the probability that the first ball you pick is red, okay, times the probability that the second ball you pick is red, given that the first one was red. Okay? Don't worry too much about the given notation. We'll talk more about this in future questions. But basically, here's how it's going to work. If we take a ball from here, well, we have to add up the total, right? There are 6 red balls plus 11 yellows plus 8 greens. So if we add all that up, 6 plus 8 plus 11, or whatever order you like to do it, we should get 25 total. So now there's 25 total to choose from when you first take a ball out. And you're going to take one of the red ones. How many reds are there? Well, there's 6. So you've got 6 out of 25 for the probability that the first ball you pick is red. Now be careful for the second probability. When you take that ball out and it says you do not replace it, suppose you select one ball at random from the box and do not put it back. Well, if I take one out, there's 25 balls there. Regardless of what I take out, how many are left? 25. Sorry, there were 25. You take one out, there's 24 left. Okay? So you took one of the 6 red balls out. In total, there's only 24 balls left. Then you're going to grab another red one. Well, not only did you take one ball out from the total, but the one you took out was red. So how many red ones are left in the box if I take a red one out? Goodbye, this one's gone. Well, there's 5 red left. So that's the probability you have to use, and you've got to be very careful, because when you pick the second one without replacing, it changes both of these values. Now, if you want to calculate this, you can do it by hand or by the calculator. If I do this by hand, 5 reduces with 25, so I just get 5 down here, and 6 reduces with 24, and I just get 4 down here. 1 times 1 is 1, and 5 times 4 is 20. If you'd rather do this by the calculator, that's okay. I would just put in, I'd use parentheses to be safe, parentheses, 6 divided by 25, close parentheses, times, open parentheses, 5 divided by 24. Close parentheses, hit enter. It's going to spit out a decimal, that's okay. Hit the math button, it's already on the frac option, hit enter. Answer points to a fraction, hit enter again, and you get 1/20. And that is question 14.